Open My Files app. Click on Internal Storage. Click on the menu option. Create folder. Open the Photos app and click on the menu. Click on Settings. Click on Backup and Sync. Scroll down and click on Backup Device Folders. Your folders from internal storage will appear here. Click on the ones you would like to back up. Now go back to the Photos app menu and click on your profile icon. You will see your backup progress in here. As the backup is happening in the background, where you see Free Up, click on it and this will instantly delete all the folders that have already been safely backed up.